Welcome to DeepIQ. Today, you will see our exciting application named First Oil. You can give your geoscience team a huge advantage with this capability. Your geoscientists can see interesting patterns across thousands of wells at the beginning of their evaluations rather than the end. You can find potential sweet spots by visualizing and analyzing well logs at scale to automatically infer lithostratigraphic information to identify interesting patterns. Your geoscientists rapidly navigate to areas of interest with an interactive map designed for them. You can display tens of thousands of wells and their locations in this view. You're looking at the main screen of DeepIQ's First Oil software. This is a view of all your wells in a map in grid view. Next, you can filter your displayed wells to North Dakota, focusing your search on stratigraphy and Bakken. Now you can zoom in to get a more detailed look at wells in this basin. Each red dot is a single well. Your geoscientists and engineers can examine any of these wells in more detail using the well log data along structural features like faults or stratigraphic changes. Now you can pick tops or select wells with known tops to graphically create your training set for First Oil's deep learning algorithms. Once you've selected your training set, you can instruct First Oil to associate this well grouping. First Oil displays a list of available well logs to resistivity, induction, gamma, etc. Based on the training set you created, you select Update Association to tell First Oil to pick select tops for all remaining wells. The association algorithm is optimized and runs in a distributed manner to scale to thousands of wells in a matter of minutes. You can then visualize the generated tops for all the wells and also look at a heat map view to validate the accuracy of top picks and discover data quality issues that might exist in your well logs. You can also see the cross-section of your play with your well logs. You can select a collection of wells and generate cross-section views. You can see the tops for each of your wells, picked by the deep learning algorithm colored and numbered with arrows. You are able to get over 99% accuracy using First Oil's deep learning algorithms to pick tops. If you want to modify a top, you simply select Edit and change the value. You can then rerun the association algorithm to generate improved results based on the feedback you provided. You can see your changes being propagated across all your wells in real time. Using this feedback loop, you can very quickly generate high-quality structural information for thousands of wells. Once you have finished working in your cross-section view, you can move on to the query features of DeepIQ's First Oil software. The software has several interesting capabilities that let you identify sweet spots in minutes instead of months. You can select a pattern that interests you in one of your wells and query it. You're now looking at the log of the well you have just selected. When you see an interesting pattern, you can zoom in to get a detailed view of the log. Now you can query to see where this feature occurs across thousands of well logs. You just did in minutes what used to take months to accomplish. Several geoscience team leaders in Houston have said this capability is able to accelerate their workflows from years to months, giving their teams more time to identify reserves others have missed. In summary, you will give your geoscience team a huge advantage with DeepIQ's First Oil software. You will quickly see interesting patterns across thousands of wells at the beginning of their evaluations rather than the end. You can find potential sweet spots by visualizing and analyzing well logs at scale to automatically infer lithostratigraphic information to identify interesting patterns. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like more information or for a live demo, please contact us at info@deepiq.co.